Hello, good afternoon. Okay. I am Mr. Milan I'm freelance trainer for almost 15 years. So, sa kauna-unahan na product na ginagamit ko ay si ZS and then cosmetic products. So, maganda yung outcome niya, and then sa processing naman is maganda yung process niya is medyo mabilis siya. Normally, kailangan pa rin natin ng talaga is analyzation bago gumawa. Number one is kailangan proper way application pa rin. Yung 4.0 niya, sa kadalasan kasi ang 4.0 hindi nako-cover talaga is 100% ng white hair. Pero dito sa products na products ni CZS is talagang covering talaga is 100% yung white hair niya. Is goods naman is syempre lang kailangan mo lang din talaga yung masunod yung process. Ibig sabihin yung time, di ba? And then analyzation ng hair. So okay yung products. And then yung 7.2 naman niya is for toning. Maganda yung toning niya. Is talagang makikita mo yung outcome. Sabi natin 3 inches yung tubo ng white hair, nung regrowth, pero nakuha niya pa rin na ma-tone pa rin ng same dun sa color na ng hair niya. So okay yung products, is good, and then talagang quality. Yung quality naman is much better naman din talaga, kasi kung hahanap naman din tayo ng branding is talagang dito na tayo. So thank you, and then thank you kasi na-experience ko naman maganda yung products din talaga. Okay, thank you.